What should you tell when you are buy new? Be more careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Wagwan peeps, welcome back to my channel. To do my high puff, I'm gonna be using the Eco Styler castor oil and flaxseed gel. Yeah, you. So I'm going to be spreading the gel all around my hair to get that smooth look because I want my hair to be laid and slayed as usual. I cut my ponytail holder because it's easier for me that way. I got these ponytail holders at my local beauty supply store, 6 in the pack for $1. So while doing this hairstyle, please don't pull the string too tight, the ponytail holder. Just slide it all the way up to your liking. You don't have to pull it all the way to the ends of your hair because you want your puff to be full, but don't do it too tight where you get a headache. I learned the hard way the first time. The headache and the edge pulling, no, I'm not with that. So I'm going to be adding a little more gel, not too much, just enough to lay my hair with my scarf. If you want a better result after using the gel, just tie your hair with a scarf for like 10 to 15 minutes. It works. Well, I use 2 scarves because I want the back of my hair to be laid as well. So after 15 minutes, I'll be removing the scarves. Ooh, look at that. To get that beautiful gold color, I'll be using hair paint wax in the color gold. Don't worry guys, it's easy to wash off. Just one wash and it will wash out of your hair. Yes, it's not bleach or dye to damage your hair, but first, before applying the wax, make sure your hair is wet using water. So I'll be applying the hair paint wax with my hands using gloves, and guys, a little goes a long way, so you don't have to use a lot because the color gets really bright. And what I've noticed while applying the hair paint wax is that my hair gets curly. Like I don't have to add any other product to my hair because it gives my hair a definition. Ooh, child, where do you think you're going with that color? It's cute though, you know, just having a little fun with your hair. We not trying to get no copyright strikes over here. I'm just dabbing a little bit around my hairline, you know, just to give it a little color, not too much, just to let it blend in a little bit, you know. This is the end result. It's not completely dry as yet, I like it, not for everyday wear. They also have different colors. You can find them on Instagram at hair paint wax. And if you made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.